Hello, so here is interesting app called SailFlow, windy conditions and forecasts. SailFlow is your number one most trusted sailing weather source. So it's an interesting app, so you can report windy conditions, live wind, free weather stations, pro weather stations, free forecasts, plus forecasts, pro forecast. Wind list is the ultimate quick load wind reference tool telling you the top ranked weather stations in the area for any search you do anywhere in the world. So yeah, that's the app. You can open it up. You can allow notifications obviously if you want, and then you can just go to some popular locations, some popular searches depending where you're sailing, and then you can just see some areas where you're sailing, I guess, and then you can see wind graph. You can see all of these models, wind archives, type of wind, percent of windy days per month, wind direction distribution, so that's basically how it works. So then you can just search for some location, and that's basically the app idea. So then you can go to your profile, you can go to wind map. So yeah, this is kind of like a very interesting app, especially if you like sailing. You need to have it. So here you can see all the locations where people are sailing. So for example, here you can see current conditions and forecast. So if you have a boat, that's what you do. Basically, you just sail there. You can see weather models, pro forecast, and that's basically the idea. Tides, nearby on-site reports, wind archives. You can see summary. You can see wind days per month, station info, forecast graph, and you can see all these tides. So that's basically the idea of it. So something around it. That's the app. I never heard about it, but if you like sailing, that's the app you can try out, and include all these additional customizations. So this was just like a preview for you to know that there is this app and it's free. As you can see, I didn't upgrade, I didn't do anything, so that's all available for you to use. Hope that is helpful.